I have been an active angel investor for past 10 years and have invested in more than 50 ventures till now. I often get a lot of questions about investment. One of the pertinent questions being, what are the best options to invest your money which you have saved from business? So if you are an HNI and wondering where I should be investing my wealth, here are the 7 investment options that I would recommend to you. If you are an HNI and you have surplus money, knowing these 7 methods or 7 alternatives will help you to invest and diversify your risk return portfolio. Everybody these days is talking about personal finance and is not aware of a lot of alternatives that are available in the market. So it could be as safe as a FD and it could be as risky and volatile as a cryptocurrency. But there are a lot of other options which lie between the two, which I'm going to talk about today. The first thing that I'm going to talk about today is debt funds. Debt funds are the safest forms of money parking place. It's easily liquid and you get a decent return. It's a company, top rated, AAA rated companies. You can invest in them. You can invest in government PSUs and you get a return of 7 8%, which is above FT and still as safe as a fixed deposit. These are time tested and classical options that one can hardly go wrong with. The next option is real estate. It's the most traditional form of investment, which our parents and grandparents and grandparents have been doing it. And it's one of the safest form and you get very high returns. But in the current times, maintaining land is not easy. So are you aware of REIT, that's Real Estate Investment Trust? It is a listed thing where you can buy a part of real estate which is pre-leased to a big corporate and you enjoy the rental benefits out of it and also the liquidity. You can sell it the day you want to sell it. Another traditional investment tool is gold. Gold, as the name suggests, is gold. But in the current times, keeping gold could be a safety issue. So gold is also digitalized and you can have digital gold or a paper gold. You can invest into gold funds and gold bonds and you can get returns by it. Also, investing in gold is like a natural hedge against inflation. So if you're investing in gold, you're taking a hedge against inflation. As the inflation rises, the gold price also keeps rising. The next form of available investment is stock market. You can directly invest into equities which are listed on BSE or NSE or any of the exchanges across the globe. It's relatively risky business, but the rewards are high. The broad principle that I use for equity investment is 100 minus your age. So suppose you're a 40-year-old, 100 minus 40 equals to 60% of your savings could go into equity and 40% could be in safe assets like gold or real estate or FDs. The next alternative that is available is high ticket investment. So in financial world, it's called AIF or Alternate Investment Fund. It is an offbeat financial asset in which it could be a combination or mixture of equity, venture capitalists, commodities, hedge fund, derivative, and sometimes real estate also. So it's a mix and merge of all these things, and it's a high ticket investment. So all those people who are looking for good investment managers to manage their things, AIF is a very good bet. This tool also comes in handy if you ever wish to invest in Series B or Series C round of a startup, because that's a big ticket size which is difficult for an HNI to invest. But being part of these AIFs, you can be part of investment in Series B and C of startups. This takes me to my next and favorite investment, which is startup investment. This is my personal favorite, and India has already seen almost 12 unicorns this year. So, as an HNI, I strongly recommend that you should invest in startups, especially if it is startup of your domain. So, if you're an HNI watching this, I did my last video on why HNI should do startup investing. If you are interested in digging deep into it and understanding why HNIs should be investing, you should click on the link below and watch the video. Coming to the latest type of investment which are available for HNI are cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are basically currencies of future. They're not paper money or a fiat money, but their movement is very, very, very large. In a day, they could move up to 200, 300% and also go up and down any direction. It's a very decentralized form of currency, and they all use different technologies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin are a few to name, but there are more than 100 plus digital currencies that are existing in the market where you can invest. I've done a quick summary of 7 options that are available for investment for an HNI. I would recommend choosing any of these assets and carefully doing an asset allocation. Which out of these is your favorite? Do let me know. If you want me to do a detailed video on any of them, please feel free to write in the comment section below. Also, if you've got any questions, please comment. I hope you found today's video informative and learned something new. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel to get the latest update.